Crumbs, dust, dark corners. Meet the KMM handheld vacuum, blow and suction in one, built for fast everyday cleanups. 9,000 PA suction powered by a 46,000 RPM motor and a 4,000 mAh battery for deep cleaning. Swap nozzles in seconds, crevice, brush, floor brush, or blow nozzle. Every corner, cup holder, seat, and keyboard covered. Built-in LED light reveals dust in dark spaces, trunks, floor mats, and engine bays, so you never miss a spot. Type-C 2.5H charge, 20-30 mirror runtime. Their Poison 3 LB compact washable HEPA. After use, let battery cool 10 minutes before charging.